Coming to today's lecture, we are going to start our new unit, pre-process and file handling in C programming. Now coming to the first topic, what is preprocessor? As the name suggests, pre-processing. Whenever a program is being executed or compiled, before that we need to process that program a bit. So what actually does that task is a preprocessor. A preprocessor is generally initiated with a symbol called hash symbol like this. Now we are going to learn such some preprocessor commands or directives, we can call them as. These are some of those preprocessor directives, and we'll have a brief account of what is each and every command. Now we're coming to the hash include. What is hash include? What hash include does? Hash include is a preprocessor directive where we are including a file or a header file or any other program into our present current program. Suppose, how can we write that? Hash include stdio.h. What does that statement do? It is going to include a header file called standard input output, which is holding the meanings of printf, scanf, like those all functions, and it will get included into our program. So what is here, what happens here is we can easily use printf, scanf predefined functions in such cases. It is not only that case, all the header files that have been included and those predefined functions can be used using hash include preprocessor directive. And this is an angular bracket. This can also be used, or you can use some double quotes to include any other C program also. It may not be a header file only, it can be any other C program that can be included into the C program. Now coming to the second preprocessor directive, hash define. What does hash define mean? Hash define means, suppose I have a symbol called pi. I cannot have the symbol pi in keyboard. So what can I do? I can use a symbolic constant called pi. What does this do? What happens is I am going to define this word pi with value 3.14. Now what happens in the program is, whenever you get a word pi, it will be replaced with the constant called 3.14 in the entire program. That is what a hash define preprocessor directive does. Now suppose in the program, if you would like to assign new value to pi, now what happens is we have to undefine this hash define. So what will we do is we are going to write hash undef pi. That is done by this preprocessor directive hash undef. Now these are the three processor directives. Next, the fourth preprocessor directive is hash if. What does this hash if def, hash if and def is? They do the conditional compilation. Means they will evaluate a condition, and if that condition is getting true, then only it is going to compile that particular line. Otherwise, it is not going to get compiled. Suppose if I have written hash if preprocessor directive, and I have written constant expression, and I have written a line. What does that mean? Suppose if this constant expression is evaluated true, then only this new line is compiled. Otherwise, that line is not compiled. Now what happened? What is the next thing is hash if def. What does that mean by hash if def? Suppose if I have a symbolic constant called pi, if it is defined, I'm going to write the identifier here. If I write pi here, if I write the first statement to be hash defined by 3.14 and the second statement to be this, now what that means, pi is already defined to the value 3.14. In that case, what happens? This line has to be compiled. Next, what happens is if hash if and def. What does that mean? If a particular identifier is not defined, suppose I have written an identifier hi har. This has not been defined or compiled in any of the above the program. Now what happens is here hi will be an undefined identifier. So what our conditional compilation is saying, if this hi is not defined, then execute this new line. These two are completely opposite. Here if the identifier is defined, this will be compiled. If the identifier is not defined, then this line will be compiled. So this is just a brief introduction to what a preprocessor directive is. As already discussed, preprocessor directive is just the initial statements of your program, which is starting with a symbol called hash symbol, and this does a task before the compilation. A pre-processing will be done using this directive before the compilation process.